correct lead, right there. Look at this out. Yep, And then she's looking up, and moving them over, and using her prop.
There you go.
And then she'll break down to a trot here, and look up, and go right into a lope there. Watch this.
He's like, oh.
Yes, perfect.
My mom.
Yep, just where she wants to be.
Yep, I think they've got a relationship.
Yeah. Well, look at her now. Come ahead and lope. Go ahead and lope. Oh, you're so close. So close. Go ahead and go back up and lope back. There you go. Keep going. Lope around the whole arena. See if you can keep the little lope all the way back to us.